equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of changing the joysticks on your gaming controller. This task can seem daunting, but with the right tools and a bit of patience, you can do it yourself. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a pair of tweezers. If you have a multimeter, it can be handy for testing the new joysticks. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small screws. Begin by removing the screws from the back of your controller. Typically, there are 4 to 6 screws, depending on the model. Keep these screws in a small container to prevent them from getting lost. If you're unsure about the number of screws, refer to your controller's manual or look up a guide specific to your model. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic prying tool to separate the back cover from the front. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this can damage the casing. If you encounter resistance, check for any screws you may have missed. With the back cover removed, you'll see the internal components of the controller. Locate the joysticks. They are usually mounted on a small circuit board. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean the interior with a soft brush or compressed air. This will help remove any dust or debris that could affect the performance of your new joysticks. Now, let's remove the old joysticks. They are typically held in place by clips or additional screws. If they are clipped in, gently pull them upwards using your fingers or tweezers. If screws are present, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove them. Remember to keep track of these screws as well. Once the old joysticks are out, it's time to install the new ones. Align the new joysticks with the mounting points and press them down firmly until you hear a click, indicating they are securely in place. If screws are required, replace them now. Before reassembling the controller, it's a good idea to test the new joysticks. Connect the controller to your console or PC and check if they are functioning correctly. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional diagnosis without obligation. If everything is working fine, proceed to reattach the back cover. Align it carefully and press down until it clicks into place. Replace all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so, as this can strip the plastic. Finally, give your controller a final wipe down to remove any fingerprints or smudges. Congratulations! You've successfully changed the joysticks on your controller. If you ever need assistance, don't forget that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. No calls, no travel, just a simple and efficient service at your convenience. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.